Yes, sir, but we out here, man, behind the scenes shit, bro. Goddamn studio shit. Show y'all what fuck we got going on.
I ain't doing nothing in here. You gonna get me out?
Get you out. See, if you sign your life away, you might get out today.
Where I sign?
Hold on. Drop the ice. Sign. Social Security.
I told y'all, fuck with me while you can. Fuck with me while you can. But y'all waited too long. Now it's too late. Now I'm about to take off on you fuck niggas. Yeah, I'm gonna be petty. I'm gonna be childish. I don't give a fuck. I'm about to shit on you niggas all 2021, nigga. I got so much shit about to come out. I don't even wanna look at you niggas when I talk. Fuck you niggas, for real, for real. Y'all niggas about to fake it this goddamn kitchen right here. Y'all niggas fake it this goddamn kitchen, man. Fuck wrong with you niggas, man. Fucking bitches. Man, look at that zoom, man. I can goddamn zoom in like a motherfucker, too. Zoom in stupid, boy.